What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial we are talking about Temu mobile app. So in today's one I'm gonna show you how you can exactly search within categories on Temu. So before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you stay alerted whenever we post another awesome tutorial. So let's jump straight to the business. So basically, let's say you want to search a specific item, but you don't want to go through search and so on and so forth, or you just don't know what you exactly need, but let's say you need something for the kitchen. So basically in the bottom left corner, as you can see, we are having categories. When you press on it, there are loads and loads of options, as you can see. So let's go to the kitchen, and as you can see, we are having over here home and kitchen. We are having kitchen utensils, we are having filters, we can search again, and so on and so forth. So guys, quite an easy process. The second option is go to the upper side of your screen. As you can see where it says jacket, just type on it and just type whatever you need. So basically quite an easy process. Go to the categories and we are having loads and loads of options. So men's, sports, outdoors, jewelry, accessories, men's watches. As you can see, you can shop over here. Also you can exit, then go to the men's hats and caps and so on and so forth. So guys, quite an easy process. Temu done a nice job sorting out products in categories and making it easy for you to search for the specific ones. So guys, hopefully this helped you. Thank you for watching and see you in our next tutorial. Goodbye guys.